Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, the system cannot find the file specified, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now, further solutions will involve installing the driver using the INF file and reinstalling the drivers from the INF folder. But my suggestion is to simply run optional Windows updates because they will install all the latest drivers anyway. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on check for updates. Then select advanced options and click on optional updates. If any updates are available, please install them. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.